Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best humidifier air purifiers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many humidifier air purifiers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each humidifier air purifiers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a humidifier air purifier. First, check the room size and ensure the device has enough capacity to handle your space effectively. Next, look for a model that offers both humidifying and air purifying functions without compromising performance or energy efficiency. Consider the filter type and maintenance cost, as these can affect long-term savings and air quality. Noise level is another important factor, especially if you plan to use it in a bedroom or office. Also, pay attention to ease of cleaning and whether it has automatic humidity control or smart features for convenience. Lastly, always compare brands, read customer reviews, and confirm warranty coverage for peace of mind. Choosing the right humidifier air purifier can improve air comfort and health in your home. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.